Another very important and very nice feature is the possibility to find points using point filters. I have these two lines and I want to create a rectangle. But the important topic now it is I want to create a line that comes from here, and to build that rectangle I know that this point I need to define now needs to be a line in X here. I don't know the value, and I also need to guarantee that it's aligned with this point here in terms of Y. So this is the point where I use the filters. I will do a click in my keyboard on the shift and the right mouse click. From here I can say point filters and I will define first the X. So I need to extract the X information of this point. Now I need to do the same, shift right mouse click, point filters, Y. And I will click this point here. The system is asking still um, information value for the Z. I can click somewhere because I'm working on the XY plane, so Z is 0. And after I do that additional click, I have the point defined. I can simply click and close my rectangle.